Guys, what's up? How are you? This is a new course on Aptitude Booster. We start with directions presented by me, Preetham Osmart. And this is a little about me. I'm Preetham Osmart. I'm a BE in Electronics and Communication. I love to play cricket, badminton, drawing, and video making and photography in an age. In the directions, directions have 8 directions. Main directions are north direction, south, your east and west, and in between northwest, northwest, and in between northeast, northeast, in between southeast, southeast, in between southwest, southwest. Friend, these are very important. We have to remember directions. And then there is a small basic need we have to understand, and you also know about that. In this there is a 90-degree in between northwest or northeast or east to south or south to west. There is a 90-degree, friends, for this gap. And then there is a 45-degree from anything you taken north to east and east. This gap is fill up with 45-degree. Sometimes questions may ask given like in degrees, not always in a direction. That's why you also know these things. That's it. And this is the main basic approach we know in the directions problems. And friends, second is clock direction. Sometimes the questions may arise like in a clock directions. If we think, friends, clockwise direction, the always direction will be in your right hand side, and the anti-clockwise direction always is depend upon your left hand side. And come to 3, distance. Friends, this is a basic approach. You have to know this formula, the polynomial theorem, horizontal and vertical and the shortcuts. This is horizontal, this is vertical, and this is shortcut. Friends, this polynomial theorem you have to remember, then only you easily find out the answer. This is the basic approach. We have to find distance in kilometer, maybe in meters, whatever it can be asked in. You have to basic formula need for find out the distance is polynomial theorem. And fourth basic shortcuts, a trick we need the shadow. In the shadows may question arises. Friends, remember, most is very important. Always sunrise in east, then your shadow is facing on to west. If second thing in evening time or sunset, so sun west set in west direction, then your shadow face on east direction. And remember, sometimes questions may arise to confusing like whatever the shadow in afternoon. Now friends, remember this is very important. There is no shadow in afternoon session. Before we end this direction session, I would like to say, please read the question twice or thrice, because the questions are very tricky in upcoming days. So you have to be patient and read the direction questions carefully. First you have to draw the direction. First now you remember direction, then clockwise directions, and third is distance, and last but least now that there is a basic shadow approach. And it's time to say thanks, friends. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. Please like and share and subscribe, and any queries please write in comment section and follow me on YouTube. Thank you.